Nature's MKULTRA mind-controlled bugs. What? Hello, this is Chart GPT Today. You know, a few decades ago there was a CIA program that was involved in trying to manipulate brains to get people to do nefarious acts for the CIA, mind control, drugs, and various other mechanisms. Of course, that goes back, like I said, quite a few decades, and the CIA claims that they're not doing that anymore. One has to wonder, but nevertheless, does this actually happen in nature? And the answer is, well, yes, it does. Here's this hairworm, and it's beneath our feet and all over the world in various places, and it has special properties. It's kind of a strange-looking organism that's on the earth, but it's a spaghetti-like puppet master known as horsehair worms. They attack special sea creatures and other things, creepy crawlers, that basically invades them and invades their neurological circuit and causes the host to go search for water, and then after they search for the water, then they can breed, because they don't have any mechanism to move around themselves. So it's quite adaptive organism there. And of course there's other organism that does similar things. They call it the Toxoplasma gondii, or they call it T. gondii, invades the host, including humans, and sometimes nicknamed the mind-controlled parasite, because they can cause all kinds of range of neurological behaviors that can infect animals and humans to do various things to survive. So this happens in nature. The different ways that the genetic makeup of these organisms can affect their host to get them to do all kinds of things. And this is not just like in the case of the horsehair worm, not just to kill it, or like a venom of a spider or a snake, but actually cause it to change its behavior for the benefit of the parasite. So that's quite interesting. And of course this T. gondii is infecting half the humans, and it's like could be a serious thing, and many researchers are calling that we need to investigate it more to see if it does anything else that we don't know is happening to society, that since society is very mobile now compared to what it used to be, and so people are more easily infected than they were decades or even centuries ago. So we asked the AI, is this possible that these parasitical mind control MKUltra bugs could be causing harm to humans and we don't even realize it, since we've been disturbing so much of nature over the last few decades? And of course, if we can come in, it'll be interesting to read that. You can see that in the description box on the post. But here's a chart of recent rises in suicide, self-poisoning, major depressive episodes, and depressive symptoms, and it has been on the rise. And so one has to wonder, is it culture doing this, or is it the bugs beneath our feet? But to look at some charts here, they're wanting to make all these insect proteins, make bug burgers and all this other great stuff we've heard about. And it's a growing industry. You can see it's going to be growing leaps and bounds. So we don't even know what some of these parasites that might be ground up inside the bugs will do. And you can see in some of the articles suggesting we need to find out more about this, because these bugs that we might be eating could be changing our minds to do all kinds of crazy things. Take our online poll and say whether you think this is something we should worry about. Are the bugs causing us to go crazy and doing nefarious things and crazy things, or even somebody even using those to do such things? Yet another thing to be concerned about. Don't forget to subscribe.